Service in Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bossier